Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the process of converting an hexadecimal number to its equivalent octal number. So the process is very simple. First we have to convert the given hexadecimal number to a binary number, and then we have to convert that binary number to its octal equivalent. So consider this example 4BAC. We have to convert this hexadecimal to its binary first. So we have to get the value of each bit, and we have to convert it into its binary by the use of 8421 code. So it will be for the MSB 4, it will be 0100. I think you can refer the video of hexadecimal to binary conversion, which is posted earlier. And for B, which is a value of 11, it will be 1011. And for A, which is 10, and this will give a value of 1010 in binary. And for the LSB, which is C, the value is 12, and for this we will have a binary value of 1100. So this is the binary number, and to get an equivalent octal number for this binary, we have to group 3 bits starting from LSB. So here we can follow the 421 code, which will be 4, and for this it will be 5, and for the next group it is 6, and for this it will be 5, and for this it will be 4, and the result will be 45654 to the base 8. So if you have any clarification in converting a binary to its octal, you can refer the video that is posted earlier. Thank you.